What is this actually?
Well, it seems like she's not enjoying the pudding.
Hey guys. So, my parents are not here, and I'm only here with me and my brother. Proof. There's no one in my parents' room. I'm only here in my parents' room. Nobody in here. Nobody in my parents' room. Nobody in my brother's room. Just him. Nobody is in the bathroom. Nobody is in the living room. And nobody is in the kitchen. Nobody. So, I'm home alone with my brother. And I'm very bored. I don't know what to do. I was just watching TV. Lucas and Marcus. Make sure you can subscribe to me. Hi, Lucas and Marcus. And everyone, if you guys are watching this, I love you guys so much. All of you. They were brothers. Marcus, there's the whole crew. Well, you guys should be spawns. I don't know. But hopefully you're watching this. But I don't know. I was watching Lucas and Marcus. Red versus Blue Food Challenge. So, and I think it's an old one. I'm way back. Like, I don't really watch them, so I don't watch their new videos, so. But I cracked my neck. Ow! I cracked my neck. I was just like this, and then I heard a crack. Oh, I don't know if you guys heard it.